Finally, here is the house you have been looking for, right in the heart of Great Bridge. This amazing home has space for all. It hosts 4-bed, 3 full, 2 half baths west/room over garage that could be a theater or game room with a bar area. It has 2 suites and a large kitchen with an open floor plan that flows into the family room. Kitchen appliances convey as is, refrigerator to be removed. Updates in this home have been completed with new paint, carpet, and back steps all in 2022. House is power washed, professionally cleaned and ready for you. What more can you ask for? Call today to set up your appointment. Square feet. Per city taxes and schools to be verified by buyer.